Well, with today's rain, it is now officially our 5th wettest January up to this point in the month. Don't have a lot more of that on the way, though, for the rest of the month. Still, we have some rain throughout the evening hours. 13 WEATHERBALL is blinking bright with some rain, maybe some snow mixed in before it ends early tonight. It's also green, no change to the above freezing temperatures foreseen, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast a high of 38. It's been up to 36 today. We're back on track with your plus or minus 3-degree guarantee. So gray skies this weekend. There'll be a few no impact rain or snow showers. After it ends this evening, they're going to be just hit and miss. May flare up a little bit tomorrow night, but not a lot of precipitation expected. Highs will be in the mid and upper 30s with little day-to-day temperature changes the rest of this next week. There might be a little bit of light rain and snow Tuesday night and Wednesday. Originally it was going to be just Wednesday, but it'll be late Tuesday night and Wednesday now. And instead of next Saturday, late Friday night and Saturday. Again, these will be low or no impact events. Between about 34 in the morning and 37 in the afternoon. And again, cloudy skies, just a gray weekend, maybe a couple of flurries. The good thing is we're gaining about 2 or 3 minutes worth of daylight each day. Radar looks very impressive. We're seeing a little bit of return from the radar beam hitting a little bit of the ice and snow that's higher up in the clouds. So it looks a lot more impressive than it really is. There's just some light rain going on right now, and it's been mixing with snow at times, especially to the north. The areas that do have snow probably going to accumulate a little bit of snow this weekend, but most areas will just see all of that melting. All because of this very slow moving low pressure system that will go right up overhead here tonight and tomorrow morning, and then eventually work its way slowly out of the region. Here is the 7 o'clock computer model. You can see the rain and snow mixed to the north. By midnight, it is done. Here's the low pressure system right here. Winds are going to be out of the south. Be fairly quiet most of the night. We might have a morning snow flurry, but you can see there's going to be rain to the east and snow to our west, and because we're right underneath that low pressure system, there's just not a lot going on. Maybe some drizzle, a couple of sprinkles, a couple of snowflakes throughout the day, and then you notice the winds turn around to the west tomorrow afternoon, and then that moves on out. You can see a little bit of a flare-up of the precipitation on Saturday night. On Sunday, not a lot going on as well. This kind of weather pattern is going to continue the rest of next week as well. In terms of snowfall, this is how much snow will fall. A lot of it will be melting, except on those areas that do have some snow, less than an inch around Fremont, Big Rapids, and Ludington. During the day tomorrow, again, some snow flurries in through Sunday. Again, a lot of that will be melting. Not a lot in terms of accumulation, certainly not enough to get out and do some snowmobiling or some skiing, and even the long range outlook is going to start changing according to the storm prediction, I should say the national centers. We have a little bit higher chance as we get into the middle part of February of seeing a little bit colder than average temperatures. By that time, we're up into the low and mid 30s, and an equal chance of seeing more or less precipitation. It doesn't look like we have higher chances like they do in the Rocky Mountains. We just have a flip of a coin here. Tomorrow, though, it will be mainly cloudy. There might be a raindrop or a snowflake here and there, with highs back up into the upper 30s. Winds will still be out of the south. Up north, again, a few rain or snow showers, nothing significant, low or no impacts, up into the mid 30s. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll hit the mid and upper 30s, maybe even as warm as 39 in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. The difference between the high temperatures over the next 10 days, between about 36 and 38, with those overnight chances for rain and snow Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Friday night and Saturday. Other than that, we're going to wrap up the month of January on a very, very quiet note. Less snow and more rain than usual.
Been a quiet month for the most part, George.
Let's hope it's not going to get us in the end.
Crossing fingers. Thank you, sir.